Understanding On the Alert, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a common English phrase that can be a bit puzzling for learners: on the alert. If you're curious about what it means and how to use it in everyday conversations, you're in the right place. Let's explore this phrase together and unlock its meanings and uses. The phrase, on the alert, means to be watchful or vigilant, keeping a close eye out for any potential danger, problems, or opportunities. It implies a state of readiness to respond quickly to any changes in the situation. Tracing back to military usage, on the alert has been a staple in English for centuries. It's used to describe soldiers who are watchful for any threats. Over time, this phrase has evolved into everyday language, maintaining its core meaning of vigilance. Here, we'll look at some examples. The guards were on the alert for any sign of trespassers. During the storm season, the coastal residents stay on the alert for evacuation orders. As a journalist, she's always on the alert for the latest news story. Other phrases convey a similar meaning. On your toes, being ready to act quickly. On guard, being watchful for danger. Eyes peeled, keeping a careful watch. And that's a wrap on the Alert. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and usage of this phrase for you. Stay on the alert for our next English language learning video. Until then, keep practicing, and see you soon.